Hello angels, and welcome back to my YouTube space. I'm so happy to have you here. I'm so happy that you decided to join my channel and my video. So I really hope as well that you're gonna like this video and the idea that I have for you. This is gonna be like kind of my nighttime face cleaning routine, and I'm doing this pretty much every single day. Not exactly, sometimes I'm skipping those steps because they are quite a little bit more steps, and this will cost you a little bit longer than just to wash your face. But believe me, this is going to be so healthy, natural DIY remedy for your face, and this will keep your skin so shiny, so healthy, so refreshed from the previous day, and to be ready and to be like a newborn for the new day. And actually today is, what's the day? It's Tuesday, it's half term, and it's almost bedtime. And as you can see, I'm already prepared with my cozy pajama. Thank you, Lynn, by the way, for this pajama. Actually, I decided to film the process while I'm taking off my makeup. This is what is still left on my face from my daytime makeup. I actually applied this at about 8 in the morning, so yeah, it's pretty much not too much makeup because I'm not wearing too much makeup when I'm going to work, but it's just kind of like a base, like a foundation, a little bit of mascara. I don't have lipstick on my lips. So yeah, if you are interested in my nighttime face routine, please keep on watching. I will show you guys some of my favorite, like kind of oils, some of my favorite things that I like to use to take off my makeup. Of course, the easiest way to take off your makeup is with makeup wipes, according to me. But unfortunately, I don't like all of the wet wipes, like cleansing wipes, facial cleansing wipes that are in the market. Sometimes I like the texture of the wipes. Sometimes from other types of wipes, I just like the lotion that they got on it, if you know what I mean. But unfortunately, I'm not able to find the perfect wipes for my face, for my skin, for my feeling, the feeling that I would love to see on my face and to apply on my face, you know what I mean. So those are two of the packages that I'm keeping at home. These ones, I think I bought them from Poundland, I'm not so sure, but probably most of you know them. I don't like them. It doesn't matter that the package is almost empty and I'm using them quite often, but if I need to be honest, I really don't like them because the texture of the wipe is so like kind of a scrubbing, but not because you want to do a facial scrub, but because the wipe is just awful. It is removing the makeup and all the dirtiness from your face, but it's kind of how to explain exactly, kind of a little bit more dry than it has to be. This is the other wipes that I bought about 2-3 weeks ago, the Neutrogena ones. They got kind of a different types of them. I decided to buy a pink grapefruit facial cleansing wipes. I don't like them. I really don't like them, and the texture of the wipes, actually the wipes by themselves are really good, but I don't like the lotion. I don't know if this contains some alcohol or not, I'm not so sure. These wipes are removing the makeup perfectly, but the main problem is that the lotion that they contain, it's kind of irritating my skin. I don't know, it's kind of like I'm applying a pure alcohol on my face and it started itching, and I definitely need to wash it with some facial soap or with some facial cleanser immediately, because otherwise it's making me crazy. So I will leave them, but I just decided to show them to you for just in case to know. But today I decided to use only natural products to take off my makeup and to make my face perfectly clean for sleeping for nighttime. So I'm gonna use this 100% raw organic extra virgin coconut oil, and this one is from Lidl. And if you have been watching my previous hair DIY hair masks, so you probably have seen me using this already. Mine is kind of a half full, and what I'm doing, I'm just grabbing any amount, what is just working for you. Warm it a little bit between my fingers. Oh. And I just started doing this. Start like applying a cream on my face. And of course, I'm always doing this to my neck, because I'm applying the foundation as well on my neck to match the skin color. Then I'm grabbing these cotton pads, and I'm just removing the coconut oil from my face. The coconut oil, by the way, is the perfect and most easier and healthier and nutritious face cleanser that removes all type of the makeups, including water resistant makeup, all type of makeup. So I will show you. This is the final result. I will grab just a little bit more from the coconut oil, and I will clean my mascara as well. Now I will grab two brand new cotton pads, and I will just wipe off the coconut oil from my eyes. The result from my mascara. By the way, be sure that you took all of the coconut oil out of your eyes, because it's not the most comfortable thing if the coconut oil goes inside your eyes. I was using just these facial wipes, not to clean my face anymore, but just to take the unnecessary coconut oil from my face. So the next thing that I'm gonna show you is one DIY natural facial toner that I saw about a couple of months ago in Pinterest, and I was pretty much so surprised. This is actually a Whitch Hazel. As you can see, I bought this one from Boots. Probably you can find it everywhere, on Amazon, on eBay, or anywhere else. So here on my diary, I've written just a couple of things that Whitch Hazel is doing to your skin and to your face, and just the kind of a main beneficials that the Whitch Hazel has. First of all, it's tighten the pores. Then it's good for acne and pimples, to stop bleeding quickly. It's such a good anti-aging natural product. It slows down the aging process. It's good for sunburn, for eczema, for cold sores, for diaper rash, for puffy eyes as well, which I guess that after 30 years old, probably you may understand that we are so happy to find any product that is good for the puffy eyes. And actually, by the way, you can Google, you can type for all the beneficials and all the information that you can find for the Whitch Hazel. It's super simple. You just need a Whitch Hazel. By the way, it was super cheap in Boots. I can't remember exactly, but it's probably about £2 or something like this. Then I have prepared lavender essential oil. And the last thing that I have prepared for this toner is this just kind of a empty bottle. I have ordered this from eBay. I think it was a pack of 6, 10 or something like this. You can find them on Boots as well. I will fill the bottle for about 2/3 of the bottle with the Whitch Hazel. or about, let's say, half of the bottle, because I love to keep this toner quite fresh. And if you make this toner, you can keep it as well in the fridge for a couple of days. I'm gonna be using 3 drops of lavender essential oil. 2 to 3 drops. I think this is pretty much enough because the lavender essential oil is quite strong and I don't want to make any irritation to my skin. I'm just shaking the bottle, cotton pad, and I'm just soaking the pad with this toner and I'm applying it straight on my face. Oh, it smells nice, especially for those of you who like lavender, but for those of you who don't like lavender, you can try cypress essential oil, or you can Google for any other essential oils that could be good and calming and like kind of a anti-aging for your face. Sometimes I just like to, not to scratch my skin or something like this, but like I'm doing a kind of massage, and it's so relaxing, and especially with the smell of the lavender oil. Oh my gosh, it's so relaxing. Okay, yeah, I think that I'm ready with the facial toner. The third step of my nighttime cleaning routine, and actually not just cleaning routine, but face routine and face nourishing routine, is gonna be to apply any nourishing, any hydrating oil for my skin and to leave it to get absorbed from the skin during the nighttime while I'm sleeping. And the oil that I'm gonna be using is this sesame oil. This is like a brand new, this is the last oil that I've ordered from eBay. And what I'm usually doing with the oils, this is kind of a career oil, so you can use it straight on your face. You can make a combination with vitamin E as well. I have here in my cupboard vitamin E as well, but I just want to use today just a plain sesame oil. What I'm doing usually, just with my fingers. This oil, by the way, is quite thick, so you have to try and to see what amount will be good for your face. I like to apply lots of oils on my face, but just a kind of a normal amount, from minimum to normal amount. I just don't like the oily feeling on my skin. So because of this, if I feel that this is not enough, I will just grab a little bit more. And don't forget the neck as well. This was definitely totally enough, and just what's left on my fingers, I will hydrate and moisture my lips, because now when the weather is so windy outside, my lips are becoming a little bit dry, and just before the winter season, and especially during the winter season, this is going to be so good to nourish and hydrate the lips as well. And yeah, what's left on my fingers, I'm just applying all over my hands. Actually, this was all the 3 steps that I'm usually doing to my face. First of all, to clean the makeup and the impurities from the face. Then second, to use a toner on your face, and just the toner is not just toning your skin, it is just removing the rest of the makeup and the rest of dirtiness that you still may have on your face. And the third step is to kind of nourish, moisturize your skin, and to leave it for a nighttime while you're sleeping, kind of with to feed your skin. Yeah, probably this is the right word that I can use for my skin, to feed my skin for the nighttime. And when I wake up in the morning, my face is totally not oily. Definitely I can say, because I have quite normal to dry skin. My skin is not oily. And for normal to dry skin, and especially for my skin, I can say that the oils are definitely working, and I can say that they're doing miracles. And you just can try, and believe me, this is such a miracle. This is perfect for the nighttime routine. I feel my skin ready to go to sleep. I feel my skin like kind of a baby skin. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for joining this channel. If you have any idea for any future videos, feel free to let me know. I will try to make some of them, or why not all of them. You're really making me so happy by clicking on my video. Thank you so much for supporting my job. It is time to start reading a book to my boys, so I wish you good night and have a sweet dreams, and see you in my next one.